How to write on an image on Google Docs. So first is to upload the image. So to do this, just head over to Insert, which is located on the upper left portion of your screen. Go to Image and select Upload from Computer if your image is saved in your desktop. Now select the photo that you want to upload and then click Open. Now click on the image and then go to Image Options. A section will appear to your right. Go to Text Wrapping and make sure to select Behind Text. Go to Insert, click on Drawing, and then select New. Click the text box icon and then click anywhere in this area. So in this text box, start entering your content or your message. So you can also use these tools here to customize your message or the text box. Once you're done, click Save and Close. So click on the text box that you've created and make sure to select in front of text. Now you can freely move the text box anywhere in the picture. And so that is how you write on an image on Google Docs. Thank you and have a great day.